Hello, my name is Rajiv and I created this app where you could play ball. So right now, as you can see, I have 2 points and the opponent has 3. Every time I score, more balls come. So every time you score a ball, it will become harder and harder. Now I also created this app by myself. See? Now you're getting like tons of balls when you have to hit them. The balls aren't really fast, so the game would be a little bit better and easier. And then you have to the red thing has to hit them and it will bounce into the goal. As you can see now, it's getting crazy with so much balls. And you have to hit the balls, and right now I have 20 points and they have 100. Because it's like too much balls. So in this game, the point of it is to try to score as much as you can, and if you have another friend, he could also do it too and see, and you guys could play and see who makes the highest score and wins. So, bye. Have a good day, everybody.